Assalamu alaikum. This is your IRS teacher, Abubakar Awal, grade 2, lesson 1. Our topic today is on suratul Quraish. We are going to look into the chapter, that is where the chapter can be found in the Holy Quran, and the number of ayahs that are in the surah. Then after that, we are going to have the recitation of the surah. Now, let me have the Arabic text of the surah. It was on the Arabic text of the surah. In the Arabic text of the surah. Now, we are having the Arabic text of the surah. Now we are going to have the recitation. We are going to have the recitation of suratul Quraish. And here with me, I have an audio with the recitation of the surah. So sit down attentively and listen as the recitation is going on. You will be repeating from the audio. إيلاف قريش إيلافهم رحلة الشتاء والصيف فليعبدوا رب هذا البيت الذي أطعمهم من جوع وآمنهم من خوف. MashaAllah, there is a recitation of suratul Quraish. Suratul Quraish, as we have heard, it is found in chapter. Suratul Quraish is found in chapter 106, and it has how many ayahs? How many ayahs are there in Suratul Quraish? As we have here the recitation, 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 ayahs. So Suratul Quraish is found in the Holy Quran in chapter 106, and it contains only 4 ayahs. So this is all what we are going to. This is all what I have for you for the recitation, and you are going to copy the notes. After copying the notes, you are going to copy the notes. After copying the notes, this is your homework. Your homework. Question number 1, Suratul Quraish has how many ayahs? That is, you are going to write the number of ayahs that Suratul Quraish have. Then the second question, what chapter of the Quran is Suratul Quraish? Now you are going to write the number of the chapter in which Suratul Quraish can be found. That is for your homework. So you will copy the notes and do the homework. You are going to copy the note and do the homework. Also, you have activities. I'm going to give you activities which you are going to do. And your activities, you are going to get an audio that has the recitation of Suratul Quraish. I want you to play it. Sit down closer to the player. Sit down closer to the play. Sit down closer to the audio and listen. You should sit down closer to the audio, and you will be repeating the recitation from the audio as it was recited in the audio. You will be repeating. You will be saying it after the audio. Maybe for at least you will have 10 minutes to 15 minutes listening to the recitation from the audio, so that you can have a proper recitation. And also part of your activities, I want when you are praying, maybe any of the 5 daily prayers, in each of the rak'ah, in the 5 daily prayers, you will recite Fatiha followed by any surah in the Holy Quran. So I want you to start using Suratul Quraish as your surah in your rak'ah. After the Fatiha, recite Suratul Quraish as your surah. Instead of looking for other surah, try to be reciting Suratul Quraish so that you can be familiar with the recitation. Try to put it in practice. That is for your activities, and this is your homework. So I think this is all what I have for you. This is all what I have for you for this topic. So we are going to meet until we meet in the second lesson. Assalamu alaikum.